Get Unready with me. It's been a while I haven't done this sort of video, so let's go. First, I'm gonna remove my makeup with the Plum Hemp Cleansing Oil. First of all, this is very lightweight on the skin. It removes your waterproof makeup and impurities. It doesn't irritate my skin or dry out my skin. Also, this is suitable for all skin types. So what I do is I take 2 or 3 pumps and I massage it all over my face for a minute or two so that it can break down all of the makeup that I have. Now guys, here I'm using a tissue just for the sake of this video. Normally I go and wash my face in the bathroom. What I really like about this one is it can easily remove your waterproof lipstick or mascara and it doesn't irritate my eyes. And once that is done, I just add a little bit of water. It turns into a milky consistency and it removes everything. Next, I'm going to use a face wash just to double cleanse my face, and guys, even if I'm wearing a sunscreen, I still double cleanse my face. Today I'm using this Aqualogica Detan Smoothie face wash, and guys, this is so amazing. If you have acne prone skin or if you have tanning issues, definitely try this one out. This is infused with glycolic acid, cherry tomato and hyaluronic acid. It gently cleanses your skin, it hydrates your skin, it removes tan, brightens up your skin, and it evens out your skin tone. It doesn't make your skin feel dry. This is my current favorite face wash. I just love how it makes my skin feel. Okay, next I'm going to use a beginners friendly peeling solution, and this is from the Derma. It's their 15% AHA and 1% BHA peeling solution. This is not your everyday product, okay? You are supposed to use it once in a week or once in 2 weeks and you are done. This has 5% glycolic acid, 5% lactic acid, 5% mandelic acid and 1% salicylic acid. Now what it exactly does, this is going to deal with your clogged pores, dark spots, acne issues, or if you have a lot of whiteheads or blackheads or active acne, this is going to deal with that. Now this deeply exfoliates your dead skin cells build-up and it removes impurities from your pores. It deals with your active acne, acne scars, blemishes. It reveals a healthy, glowy and radiant looking skin. You are supposed to keep it for 5 to 10 minutes max and then wash it off with another face wash. If you have textured skin, large pores, acne, blemishes, fine lines or wrinkles, you should definitely try this one out. I always use it at night followed by a good SPF in the next morning. I always use a sunscreen in the daytime, so yeah, keep that in mind, and a patch test is needed if you are using it for the very first time. Every time you buy from the Derma, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi, and they have empowered 10,000 students this year with their Young Scientist initiative. I do have a coupon code with them. If you use that on their website, you will get extra 20% off. Next, I'm using this 5% Niacinamide serum from Plum. It has rice water and amino acid complex. I was supposed to use a hyaluronic acid based toner, but I forgot anyway. This serum is going to smoothen, hydrate and calm my skin down. As you guys can see, I have a lot of redness on my skin right now, which is quite normal. If you are using any chemical peel for the very first time, a little bit of redness, warmness or itchiness for 10 to 15 minutes is normal. Also, some face a little bit of dryness on their skin. Next, I'm using a very hydrating lightweight moisturizer. It has no active ingredient in it, but it's very soothing and calming on the skin. If you are using a chemical peel, try not to use any other active ingredient that day, like vitamin C, retinol, glycolic acid, salicylic acid, kojic acid or any other active ingredient. What you can use is niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, collagen or ceramide based moisturizers or serums. Here I'm using the Face Shop White Seed Brightening Lotion as a second layer of moisturizer, because after using a chemical peel my skin feels really dry and tight, so I use 2 different layers of moisturizer so that my skin gets all of the hydration and moisturization. And lastly, to hydrate and moisturize my lips, I'm going to use a lip balm. And yep, that's it. I hope you guys like it and find this video helpful. Now guys, remember, I follow this skincare routine once a week or once in 2 weeks. This is not a regular skincare routine, okay? Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. I would love to answer that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.